Palmistry reading of a female whose age is 38. We'll be reading her hand. Before I start my video, I would request you to press the bell icon on YouTube. Don't miss another update. If you want a reading from me, you can call me or you can email me. These are the phone number and the email that are mentioned on the screen. Now we straight away head to this particular hand image that we have in front of us. She's a female, and it is said that we should take a look at the left hand and not the right hand, but in my case I give more importance to the right hand instead of the left hand, even in females, and specifically females who are working. So I am assuming she's working, so and probably she might be a working woman, so I'll be taking a look at the right hand. Another misconception is that people think that both hands are totally dissimilar. It's not like that. Both hands may show similarities, so we have to take a look at both the hands and come to the final conclusion. But right hand is the hand that I would give more priority to. The first thing is that the first aspect of the hand is I'm going to be talking about the headline. This is basically the headline, and it appears that there's another branch, something like this. Whenever the headline is drooping downwards towards the mount of moon, this is a little bit rare kind of an indication. Every time when we say rare, don't assume that rare is going to be good, and don't think it is bad. So rarity is never, it's just different, I would say, and it's not good or bad. Whenever the headline is drooping greatly towards the mount of moon, it means that the person is highly imaginative, very very good visualizer, and such people are able to foresee the future. So this is one aspect, and because it droops down too much, it means something to do with excess imagination also, and sometimes excess of anything is bad, but at times it can also play out in a good way, like in the hand of football player Pele. He had this kind of a line, and it makes a person artistic. Artistic doesn't mean just drawing or watercolor or inks, like these oil colors, or all those kind of things. Art can be in any form. So he was known to be an artist of football, the Pele, and now in this case she could be an artist of something else. So this is a very, very important aspect in her palm. And specifically, I'm just drawing the money line, and this is the headline. I'm just giving a rough indication of the age. So this intersection is age 35. So this portion of the headline is before the age of 35, and this portion is after the age of 35. So what happens is, suddenly after the age of 35, the droop in the headline is very much, it's really deep, and like it is in excess. So this is one part. Now the other part about the hand is that the headline, this is the headline, and the lifeline, both these lines have a huge gap in the middle. Whenever a person has got a huge gap in the middle, it means that the person is very rash, the person is outgoing, they never miss out on opportunities. This is what they are, like never missing out on opportunities, and like they want to experiment with everything. They want nothing left out, and they are known by that Nike slogan, just do it. So this is her slogan, and this is what she practices all throughout her life, and never missing out on opportunities. I'm just taking a brief look at the left hand as well. You would notice in the left hand also similar kind of indication can be seen. Now this is the headline, and there's a gap between both these lines, so the same kind of indications can be expected. But apart from that, you would also notice that there's a line that is coming from the inside the lifeline. This is the lifeline, and inside the lifeline, this line is joining the headline. So what is happening is, any line joining from the mount of Mars negative, this is just the name. It means that the person is going to be guided by anger, aggression, and fire. Mars is a red planet. Red means anger, aggression, and fire. So a line that is originating and joining the headline, it means anger in one's mind. I would advise the person not to get too much of angry. Anger destroys everything. So try to control the anger. This is one aspect that one basically should try to control. The other aspect, it appears that there is a small branch-like thing joining the headline, and it appears that the headline is also kind of angling towards the mount of Jupiter. Normally what happens is other people, they might have a headline something like starting something like this from the edge of the palm, but if it angles a little bit from the mount of Jupiter, it means that the person mind is angling towards higher position and honor. So these aspects might play out in her life as well. So it's a very positive aspect. Jupiter is a big planet. Big planet means growth, expansion in one's life, honor in one's life. So those aspects might play out in one's life as well. The other aspect that in the left hand, sorry, this is the left hand, so we don't find that the headline is drooping. It is drooping, but it is not drooping as much as we saw in the right hand. Now we take a look at another rare indication, a little bit rare kind of indication that we find on the heart line. Now this is the heart line, and what is rare about this particular line is that there's a branch-like thing moving a little bit towards the mount of Mercury. See, this is a very, very important kind of a line, an upward line from the headline or the heart line pointing towards a finger is always good. Maybe some relationship or something else might help these people if the heart line, if there's a branch-like thing moving upward. But out here what is happening is that the branch from the mount of Mercury, the area for calculations and communication, it is joining the line of heart. So this is considered to be good. I have seen this particular aspect in the hand of a top lawyer, a top doctor, and it's a very good and a very top investor as well in share market. So it means the heart is kind of getting inspired or being guided by Mercury, and the person is living like their whole personality revolves around this Mercury part. So this is one very, very important aspect, and it does play out in a good way. Normally whenever I seen it, it does play out in a very, very good way. Now we take a look at the area of mount of Mercury. Now the mount of Mercury as such in the left hand is having these perpendicular lines 1, 2, 3, and this is a little bit weak, 4, 5. So perpendicular lines over the mount of Mercury is always considered to be good, provided these lines are very deep and clear. They are reasonably deep and clear, not super deep and clear, but reasonably deep and clear. It means those number set of skills, the number of lines there are on the mount of Mercury. Now book basically says that if a person has got many perpendicular lines over the mount of Mercury, the person could be a doctor or a healer. But I would say a little bit different. It could mean something to do with multiple set of skills. This is one way of basically I found it to be true in many cases. So that's the reason why I don't say always doctor, but it could just mean multiple set of skills, and these skills can be in calculations or communication. It could be in law, physics, chemistry, biology, any skill. So one is this line that is originating on the mount of Mercury and joining the heart line, and then the perpendicular lines. Apart from that, there's also perpendicular line, something like this, which is also known as the Mercury line. There's not one line but two lines moving towards the mount of Mercury. These both lines are reasonably strong, which automatically converts into strong set of skills. Imagine if these lines were extremely weak, very thin and very dim. They would lose the quality that I have just told. The skills are going to be there, but those skills are going to be very, very unsharpened kind of skills, very weak kind of skills. A stronger line means that the person is sharpening their skills on a daily basis. People generally think that because everybody who is showing their palm, generally their questions revolve around money aspect in their life. This is the main priority. But to see money only on the money line is a wrong way of giving a reading. We have to look at each and every aspect of our palm, and each and every aspect of our palm can tell something or the other about the money aspect. So regarding the amount of Mercury, this is a very, very important area for money. Although this is not the planet for money, Mercury is not the planet for money, but it helps a person to make good amount of money in their life because of the strong set of skills that the person might have. Now we move back to the right hand that we are seeing originally. The line of heart out here is moving, and towards the end it is like digging down inside between the first and the second finger, but I would say more towards the Saturn mount. There's a curvature in the heartline towards the end, this portion. It makes a person very passionate. They kind of display their emotions, and they can't keep their emotions in check. This is the first aspect. The second aspect is that the heartline that ends on the mount of Saturn, it means that they are good at managing money. They are money wise, and they are responsible, and they are grounded, and they know the ground situations very well, and they are realistic. So people who have these kind of qualities are the ones that would be able to multiply their money. And generally most businessmen, they have their heartline end under the mount of Saturn. It basically means Saturn is the mount of money. And where is your heart angling? It is angling towards the money aspect. So people who angle towards money are the ones who would be able to multiply their money in their life, because they desire money. Because they desire money, they are going to work for it, and because they are going to work for it, things are going to be reasonably good in their life. So this way, I can conclude for certainly such a person would be having a good amount of money in their life. So this is one aspect. And even if the person is not a businessman, even if a person is in service, even people in service, they want money. So same aspects is going to get applied in this case as well. As far as the Mercury mount goes in the right hand, you would notice that the perpendicular lines can be seen. They could have been a little bit deeper. So more deeper means more stronger set of skills. And the perpendicular line that is joining from close to the money line and moving towards the mount of Mercury, even this is considered to be a good line. Many people, they might have very weak kind of lines, or wavy kind of lines, or broken kind of lines. Those lines are of no use. They are bad set of skills, and a person who has got bad set of skills are the ones who would not be able to make good amount of money in their life. Even if they make money, they would not be able to calculate in a good way, and they might lose their money as well. And as far as the center of the mount goes, this is the area of Mars, planes of Mars. This is negative Mars, this is positive Mars, and this is the center, is the planes of Mars. So center of the palm is the area of temper and tempering. When there are more lines in the center of the palm, the person might have a little bit uncontrolled temper. So sometimes the person is really angry, then the person cools down. But this is not the best thing to have. The person should have controlled temper, only then things can become better. On the money line, if you notice, money line is starting somewhere close to the lifeline. This is the lifeline, and close to the lifeline it is starting, and as it touches the line of head, this is the headline, it kind of diminishes. It kind of goes really dim, although it continues a little bit further from 35 till the age of probably till the age of 48, 49, but it kind of vanishes. Then a new one basically develops somewhere close to the age of 35, and that continues till the age of 53. Beyond the age of 53, you would notice that there don't appear to be any strong kind of a money line or the Saturn line. The name is different, but the meaning is similar. Absence of the money line doesn't mean that the person doesn't have any money as such. It doesn't mean anything like that. It's just that the amount of Saturn, if it has got very less kind of lines, it is considered to be a good sign. Saturn is a very slow moving planet. Many people, they have got crisscrossing lines out here. Crisscrossing line over the amount of Saturn, basically it destroys that particular area, and because it gets destroyed, so there are delays and hardships and all those kind of things. So absence of the line on the amount of Saturn is certainly a good indication in any person's case, and having a shorter finger of Saturn is also considered to be better than a longer Saturn finger, because a longer Saturn finger may represent that there could be a little bit of delays in their life. As far as the line in between the Saturn, this is the Saturn finger and this is the Sun finger, there's a line in between. This is a different, another palmist told me that this line should be considered something to do with education, helping this particular person. It could be formal, it could be informal, any kind of education that the person would be able to apply and make use of it. This is a very generalized kind of a statement, but yet I think it's a important line to consider, and it's a good line. Not everybody has this kind of a line, but it is there in this particular case. There's a little bit, because the quality of the image is not so good, there's one part I'm missing out. The headline is drooping downwards, then there's a straight kind of a headline. So this kind of a line is considered to be also good, because a downward line is taking the person into huge amounts of imagination, but a line that is straight, the headline that is straight, it means practicality. Any line going straight towards the mount of Mars positive, it means practicality. But book also says that if there's a branch like formation out here on the headline, it could also mean that the person is a genius. Genius doesn't mean that the person knows everything, it's just that compared to their competitors, they are way ahead in their thought process. Headline is not for intelligence, headline is just for your thought process. And because it's making a V-like thing out here, you would notice a V-like thing, so it means that their field of thought process is quite wide. Imagine if it's only single kind of a headline just pointing towards one end, it means a limited kind of a thing, some only practicality. If it was only downwards, it means only imagination. But when we find that there's downward as well as straight, it means practicality as well as imagination. So both things combined in this particular person that we can see. As far as the sun line goes, even this line doesn't appear to be very clear, but still I'm just giving a little bit of an interpretation. One line is kind of moving from inside the mount of Mars negative and moving towards, it's kind of broken, and out here also. So this is the area of anger, aggression, and the amount of moving towards the amount of sun. It means probably the anger and aggression might play a part in a name, name as such. But the weaker line, because it's so weak, so we can ignore this particular line, because weak lines signify probably the person is not energizing their work as far as this particular line goes. But if we take a look at the other line that is moving from somewhere close to the mount of Mars positive as well as the mount of Moon. See, mount of Moon is for foreign countries and mount of Mars is for coolness, calmness and tenacity. So a sunline that originates on the mount of Mars negative and moves towards the mount of Sun signifies that those qualities are going to be prominent in her name and fame. Towards the end, above the heartline and below the fingers, this particular line that we are referring to, this is a reasonably deep and clear line. It's a single kind of a line. Single lines are always considered to be extremely good signs. It means that the person is energizing their work, and that's the reason why they would get better success even after the age of 53. When we find that the line of sun is reasonably strong, it signifies that they would remain working throughout their life, and they would remain productive throughout their life. As far as the Mercury mount goes, we don't find the lines are good on the mount, but we don't find any padding as such on the mounts. If there was padding on the mounts, it would have been certainly much better. So this is what I could tell on this particular hand. I would be talking to this particular person and giving more further interpretations when she asks further questions. As far as the thumb goes, it appears that the thumb is not bending backwards. It's kind of very straight kind of a thumb. It means the person who is not adaptable, the person would prefer to break instead of bend. The thumb is not too long, and a long first section would mean more willpower, and this section more long means more reasoning and tact. So the thumb is reasonably length, but it's not that you should have a really long thumb. Only then the person can be successful. Take a hand, take a look at the hand of Donald Trump or Hillary Clinton. Both have not so long thumb. So it's okay to have a shorter thumb. It's nothing too bad. It's just that the thumb shouldn't be really small. Then basically the personality gets subdued. So just take a look at the sun line in the left hand, the last aspect. As far as the sun line goes, this is the sun line. This is the line of head, and this portion is before the age of 35, from 35 to 53, and that continues till after it crosses the heart line. So this is then another line develops somewhere close to, this is 35, the headline intersection and the sun line, and the intersection of sun line and the heart, and this is age 53. So somewhere at this particular point the age is 43. Another line runs parallel to the main line of sun. So it could mean another source of income or another career going side by side. Sometimes a person may have 2 lines, 3 lines, but the person still might have a single career. One last aspect regarding the heart line, in this particular case we find that there are many branches on the heart line at the starting point. So she must be loving kids to a very large extent. On the heart line there are few branches on the heart line out here, 2 or 3. So these are a little bit of distractions. So but as such, if the quality of the heartline is seen, the quality of the heartline is reasonably strong, which automatically converts into that the person would be able to handle stress and anxiety. So this is what is considered to be good. It's better to have a shorter heartline instead of a heartline that is very long. If a person has got a long heartline, it means a person who is very idealistic, but this person is not idealistic. This person is realistic, and the person values money. So people who value money are the ones that would be able to make good amount of money in their life. So I would just end my video out here. One last thing, few square like formations can be seen on the line of money out here. So square like formation, one is before the age of 35, then after the age of 35 also we find few squares on the money line may signify safeguarding money and at the same time property. So any one of these might get applied in her case as well. And I would end my video out here. Before I end my video, I would just repeat few things that I repeat in almost every possible video. That is, importance of money line in terms of how much money we will make in our life is just 15%. We can come to know about money from almost all aspects of our hand. It could be our heart line, our headline, it could be the sun mount, Mercury, Venus, Mars, or any other line on your palm. A saint once said, you don't need to go to an astrologer or a palmist to know about your future, because you already know your future. Present is a result of past. How will be my future? Future depends upon what you are doing in the present. What are we? We are product of our thoughts. So the thoughts that come to our mind are really important. Positive, if we stay close to positive people, the likelihood of positive things are going to be more, and if we are near to negative people, negative things are going to happen even if our hand is good. So it's better to be in good company. That's what matters the most. Thank you for watching this video. Bye and take care.